also because of the clamor of the people and the support that they've been giving us. They've been requesting they've been requesting brands na parang kunin kami, pagsama kami. And ito na nga nangyari sa nandito sa Chowking. So I'm very happy that I still get to work with Kim, and I'm very happy that
dahil dyan, this is for you.
I'm very happy na merong how do I call it? Merong nire-request pa rin kami ng mga tao na pagsama kami even outside our usual work.
Actually, this is our parang second endorsement together as Kim found us. So, we're very happy sa Chowking dahil, ayun nga, magkasama kami sa teleseries or movies, and now we're representing a brand, and then it's a big brand for us. So, we're very thankful for their trust and support.
Congratulations. And then for the last question, since Halo is a way to cool down, how do you cool down each other pag stress kayo sa meeting or sa set?
Ako, bukod sa halo-halo, Chowking halo-halo, si Pao, kung sobra siyang zen, so tignan mo lang siya, tsaka kausapin mo siya, maku-cool down ka na talaga. So isa siyang, para siyang kalmadong tao, maraming kalma sa katawan.
Ako naman, when I'm too stressed, the way I cool down is parang I play computer games.
Kasi Kim, how does she cool it down?
In what way does she? Well, she's very bubbly as a person, so parang kapag stress ka rin talaga, pag nakikita mo si Kim, parang nawawala yung pagod mo dahil nakakahawa yung happiness na binibigay niya sa'yo.
Congratulations on your award.
Thank you!
Ayun, Kim and Pao, foodie ba kayong dalawa? And how does halo-halo fit into your daily routine or diet?
And wait first.
Foodie ba kayong dalawa? So, how does Chowking halo-halo fit into your daily routine or diet?
Foodie, yes, in terms of food, parang gusto ko din mag-try ng iba't ibang pagkain, and parang pag masarap yung kinakain mo, it gives you comfort, it brings you joy. So, when it comes to Chowking halo-halo supreme, nagbibigay siya, lalo na ngayon, sobrang init na ng panahon, parang perfect timing siya. And actually, yung Chowking halo-halo naman, it's whole year naman siyang laging nandiyan. And then, it's the perfect way to treat yourself for something sweet, something cold, and it's a perfect merienda or like pampalamig ng katawan, ng ulo, ng nararamdaman natin.
Kim, Pao?
Ako naman, I'm not sure if I should consider myself a foodie, pero medyo, I would say medyo dahil medyo pihigan rin ako sa mga kinakain. But in terms of Chowking halo-halo supreme, how does it fit my diet? Ako, I'm not that strict with my diet. As long as I've said kanina, parang medyo marami akong bagay na hindi kinakain. And as long as pwede ko siyang kainin, hindi na ako maarte sa diet. And lalo sa init ng panahon ngayon, parang ako uunahin ko yung mag-cool down. So parang perfect talaga yung halo-halo. Lalo sa panahon.
Ito na-share na to ni Kim nung nilaunch siya as endorser ng ano. Pero, do you have any fun food-related memories in Chowking growing up na pwede mo ma-share, Pao? And Kim, pwede mo na ulitin yung sinabi mo before. Parang ano, fun food-related story growing up with Chowking.
Hindi pa siya fun, pero heartwarming lang siya na nangyari. Bago naman po. Kasi every time I'm doing a charity program, nagtatanong ako lagi sa Chowking if they could help, send some food para sa akin. Noong time na nagpunta kami sa Pampanga with the Aitas, ang daming pinadalang pagkain ng Chowking. And lahat sila parang talaga sila na, wow, ang sarap nito. Yung parang lahat sila nagsama-sama na nakatikim sila ng Chowking. So nakakatuwa sa heartwarming experience. Sobra sila nagpapasalamat.
Thank you.
Well, Chowking naman is very generous.
Thank you, Kim. Pao?
Well, ako naman, way back when when they first launched Chow Fan, parang talk of the town talaga yung Chow Fan. So parang kinailangan namin subukan to. Siguro mga either a week or 2 weeks namin kinakain po Chow Fan dahil well, yeah, yung recollection ko, memory ko na parang lahat yun yung sinasabi, parang puro Chow Fan. So tumatak na yun sa akin.
Ito, pa-cute lang na question. Kung sangkap ng halo-halo, si Kim, si Pao, anong sangkap siya at bakit?
Sa akin siguro
Ube leche flan. Kasi favorite ko talaga yung ube leche flan. Parang favorite ko na yun.
Dalawa yun. Dalawa.
Hindi ka na iba. So yun lang yung
Hindi, ikaw yung Natalie ko. Hindi, kasi mahirap hanapin, pero pag nahanap mo, success.
Ay, maganda yun. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Manila Society.
Larissa po from Manila Society. Yung question ko po actually is, kasi yung na-mention mo that you're,
Okay
9
na.
years ka na and Pao 1 year. Can you share us your journey with being an ambassador of Chowking? Plus, can you describe the best moment na yung ini-enjoy nyo talaga yung hal-hal? For both.
Wala pa po ako 1 year. Hopefully mag 2 years ko na.
Ako, mamay ko.
Mahina po.
Parang, ako naman, being with Chowking, 9 years with Chowking, story ko sa simulan, 9 years with Chowking, hindi ko rin nakalain na parang magtatagal ako sa Chowking ng ganito. I'm very happy, full of gratitude, and parang it's, aside from being a brand ambassador, it's also being a part of a family that we share the same feels na gusto namin magpasaya ng tao. Sa Chowking, it's them giving people delicious comfort food, and for me naman, gusto ko rin magpasaya ng tao through my presence or sa lahat ng mga jokes ko. And then parang Chowking kasi has been a part of every celebration sa mga Pilipino. Not just celebrations or barkada outing or like hashtag craving satisfied. So I'm very happy to be part of that family that gives importance sa kaligayahan ng bawat tao.
Your best moment.
May natunaw na siya.
Natunog na siya.
My best moment with Chowking Halo-Halo is syempre kasama ko na ngayon si Paolo. Sarap kasama with Chowking.
Anong setup? I mean, habang ini-enjoy mo siya, anong setup mo? Like, sabi nila kasi diba nasa beach normally, pero ikaw, anong moment yung part na ini-enjoy mo talaga siya?
Yung Chowking Halo-Halo, sobrang init sa taping. Habang nag-shooting, nagtitaping, hindi lang ako yung nagiging masaya. Yung buong set talaga namin masaya kasi nagpapa-Chowking Halo-Halo talaga ako. Or minsan, nag-message ako sa Chowking fam na ang init sa set namin.
Pinapakain nila buong set namin.
Magpa-Chowking Halo-Halo kayo. So wala silang magdadalawang isip. Everyone gets a treat from Chowking. So lahat masaya na magtrabaho kasi na-fuel na yung energy, nalamigan na sila, may sugar na rin sa katawan. So ready to work.
For Pao? Same question actually.
Ako naman, it's different for me because I'm new. I'm a newly bagong miyembro ng pamilya ng Chowking. So ako, I would say it's the same. I think it would be the same answer like I've said earlier. I don't find it hard to be a brand ambassador of Chowking's new Halo-Halo Supreme because kinakain ko talaga. And parang if it's something that I consume, parang automatically I love sharing it, I love talking about it. There's no, parang it's innate na hindi mo na kailangan ibenta dahil kusa mo nang inilala ko.
Your best moment habang ni-enjoy mo?
Ako, I would say sa taping rin. Dahil, or sa shoot. Dahil mainit talaga sa shoot namin. Nasa araw kami, may mga ilaw pa. Tapos kailangan namin gawing paulit-ulit. Pero yun nga, like, I've been with Kim for 2 shows long. 3 shows na mahaba. And parang yun lagi yung inaabangan namin pag magpapahalo-halo si Kim. So ngayon, happy na ako na part ako ng Chowking.
Na siya na magpapahalo-halo.
Ako na yung hihinga ng halo-halo ng mga tao sa set.
Ito suntok sa buwan, kumbaga. Pero may joke ba kayo about Chowking? Or the halo-halo? Joke? O joke? I mean, hugot na lang daw. Hugot.
Buchi ka ba?
Bakit? Chowking nga, halo-halo nga.
Hindi, Chowking.
Or halo-halo? Hugot
Ay,
or...
mga nasa linya-linya. Buchi na lang nandyan ka.
Oh? Gucci na lang. Ang sagot ni Kim.
I'm so proud of you. Yun lang, thank you.
Sorry, kuya.
Okay, tabi lang po.
Okay.
Wait lang po.
Thank you, Kim.
Thank you.